back on the creek again. And the layers in this, you can pretty well see this is all solid clay. They come away pretty easy. Going over it with the detector as I've been knocking it. Rain little freight been doing. I've been finding little bits. Faint little signals. So maybe little bits ago, the 4 buckets out there with my blue tub, we further down rather than this clay. Because all sitting on top, we'll keep it separate to down there. And today was mainly just this area here, targeted that area, but I have done 15 plus in there too, and a bit of pottery. So pretty much see where it changes. It goes from orange to grey here. Not a lot in that. I did take a bit of that.